In LA, where the dreams get printed. Fills the wizard with the DTF we're minted. Switched up the game from screen, we ain't standing. Transfer superstars with the fabric we imprinted. Transfer superstars, yeah, we tinted.
What's up, superstars? Today we're going to create a streetwear skull design using Kittl. Head to google.com and search for Kittl. Click the first link that appears. Since I already have an account, I can go ahead and edit any project I want. In this case, I will look for any trending designs. You can sort these designs in the upper left corner by clicking Most Used. We can see the Doomsday Generation design here, which has gathered 12,178 in popularity and 1,215 likes as of this moment. Click the template and let's start editing it. In the bottom left corner of your screen, you can see the layers and color palettes used in this design. Let's hide the texture layer and stars group so we can edit the text. Open the text group, then hide some of the layers so we can edit the text one by one. Let's change Doomsday to Apocalypse and apply this change to the rest of the text layers. Once done, make all of the text layers and stars group visible again. As you can see, the stars are no longer aligned with the text. Let's hide some of the stars and start aligning them one by one. Adjust the position and rotation as needed. Make sure to align the stars with the light color of the text. Next, rename South California 1996 to South California 2024. Collapse the text and stars groups to see the layers more clearly. Change Born to Dare to Born to Die. Click the background and change it to a solid black layer. Now that our artwork is done, let's try it out on different mock-up templates here in Kittl. Let's try placing our design on this black shirt flat lay. Once satisfied, download the mock-up files. You can also try your design on different mock-ups. Kittl has a lot of mock-up templates in various categories. For now, I'll use this black hoodie with a model mock-up template. You can also download it once satisfied. Now that we're done with the mockups, go back to the editor. Click download and make sure the size is 16 inches by 20 inches with a resolution of 300 dpi and set the file type to PNG. I almost forgot. Make sure to turn off the background layer before downloading your file. Make sure to subscribe to the Pro version so you can download your files without the background. Once done, download your design. Now that our files are here, let's proceed to the next step, which is upscaling. I'll use a software called Upscale. Just drag in your design, click Upscale, and wait until it's done. It will automatically be downloaded to the folder where you saved your design. You can compare the before and after of the design by moving the slider. Let's open Photoshop and proceed to the next step, applying color, halftone, and black knockout. Drag the upscaled version of your design into Photoshop. Then check the image size by going to Image and then Image Size. Make sure it is still 16 by 20 inches with a resolution of 300 dpi. Create a new solid black background layer. Then select both layers and drag them to the new layer icon to make a duplicate. Hide the original layers, then merge the duplicated layers by pressing Ctrl E. Convert this layer to a smart object by right-clicking it and selecting Convert to Smart Object. Then double-click it to enter the smart object. This will open a new document. Now go to Image, Mode, and make it grayscale. Adjust the blacks and whites of the image using levels. Go to Image, Adjustments, then select Levels. Make the whites pop because they will remain, the blacks will be removed, and the grays will be half-toned. Be careful with your settings to retain the glow effect on the artwork. Upon adjusting, I noticed that some parts of the text became gray. Since I don't want the text to be half-toned, I will select the text using the Magic Wand tool. You can find it on the toolbar or just press W. Once selected, fill the selection with white. You can use the paintbrush or fill tool. If you're still not satisfied, you can adjust your level settings further. Let's make the glow effect pop more to make it more visible. Let's proceed to the next step, applying the halftone effect. Go to Image, Mode, Bitmap, and select Flatten Layers. Press OK. Make sure the method is halftone screen. Press OK. Then set the frequency to 35 and the angle to 22. You can experiment with the halftone settings based on your preference. Press OK. As you can see, our design is now halftoned. Press Ctrl A to select all, then Ctrl C to copy. Now go back to the original document and create a layer mask. Enter mask mode by pressing Alt plus left click on the mask. Paste the design by pressing Ctrl V, then click on a layer to exit mask mode. And you're done. You can see the colored halftone version of your design if you hide the original design layer. Turn off the solid background layer to check the design without the background, then save your file. Choose the PDF file format. Your design is now ready to print. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed creating your streetwear skull design. Don't forget to visit our channel for more tutorials like this and www.transfersuperstars.com to bring your designs come to life.